Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're bringing the Sonos amp and the Sonos port and why you would use one over the other. Now, they both are great devices from Sonos and they both do very similar things as far as controlling music. But why would you choose one over the other? So today I'm going to show you. So we'll start with the amp. Obviously with the word amp means it has an amp built inside. So this actually has 125 watts, 2-channel amp. So this actually has on the back where you have these bananas to hook up a left and right pair of speakers. We'll go to the port. Very, you can tell, way smaller. And no ports to plug in any wires. So no speakers can connect to this. So it has no amplifier. So you can hook up 2 pairs of 8-ohm speakers to the amp, but you cannot hook up any pairs of speakers or any speakers whatsoever to this because this has to use an amplifier. So when would you use this? So let's say you have an AV receiver, 2-channel receiver that you want to stream all your favorite music services, Spotify, Pandora, all those sort of things. Well, this almost acts as a source, which it is. So you would actually take a pair of analog cables. So a pair of analog cables, and you would go out of this into an input of your AV receiver or 2-channel receiver, or a lot of times we use these to put in a nicer pair of speakers that requires even a bigger, better amplifier than what you would get over here. So, but get the same kind of control through Sonos. So a lot of times we'll use a bigger, better amp with the ports and with a nicer pair of speakers and still have the same control, making things much easier to control and use, but yet, you know, simplistic. Now, again, the amplifier is simple because there's no other devices you have to buy. Obviously your speakers. But you can do 2 pairs of speakers on this as long as they're 8-ohm and they're stackable. So if you notice on the top and the bottom, there's vents around, so you can actually stack a couple of these on top of each other, which is actually pretty cool the way they did this. So Sonos knows that you're going to have more than one zone of audio, and so you would have one of these per zone or pair of speakers, and you could stack up to a couple of these on top of each other and not have to worry about them, you know, overheating, because we all know you stack normal equipment on top of each other, it's not a good thing. It's going to overheat. So again, great solution from Sonos. The design of this thing is actually really good. But yeah, 125 watts a channel. Now, here's another thing that's really nice with the new amp. On the back is an HDMI. People ask us, why do we need HDMI? How's that kind of cool? Well, here's why it's cool. So let's say you have a TV that you have an Apple TV, a Roku, a Fire Stick, something like that, and that's it. But you want the audio to go through. You want music and you want the audio to go through your in-ceiling speakers or your box style, you know, bookshelf speakers or what have you. Well, with this, we're using ARC, so HDMI out to the TV, you would get that. And what's really nice is that the remote they use for the Roku or the Apple TV or just the TV itself can control the volume of this amplifier, which is super nice. So it makes functionality super easy, super functional, and you have one remote without having to get a universal remote or anything like that. So it's a great addition, adding the HDMI ARC to the Sonos amp. Now, again, this is just a simple source onto an AV receiver, 2-channel receiver, or just a better amplifier. So, one other thing that we really like is you can add a sub. So, on the Sonos amp, you cannot add a sub here. So what's nice is that you get 2 choices. You can do a wired sub, so you can use any typical subwoofer of the brand that you choose and hook it directly into the sub out. Or Sonos, of course, offers their wireless sub. So, and that's another way of adding a sub to this, is only using the wireless sub. You cannot add a wired to this, but you can with the Sonos amp. So, hope you guys liked the video. We have tons more coming out, and hope you learned why you would use one over the other from Sonos. So, until next time, guys, leave me comments, suggestions down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.